Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 3 reasons for you to choose microbiology as a career option in India in 2025. I myself is a microbiology graduate, microbiology postgraduate. So I chose microbiology because I always am very keen in working with organisms that I cannot see, and one of my favorite hobby was to discover organisms under the microscope, right? So that's why I always try to involve with this. So without knowing much about it, but right now with the help of this video you will realize whether microbiology is a good suited career option for you in India in 2025. And here are the 3 reasons that I believe the microbiology is a subject or a career path to consider in India in 2025 and beyond. The very first reason is that the growing demand in healthcare, pharma and research. Microbiology is showing growth demand, and it has been showing the demand always for the last 10 years, but since after COVID the demand has been increased, obviously with the infectious diseases like COVID that have already are over with, and we have antibiotic resistance and vaccine development. So these are the areas where microbiology starts in high demand, and pharmaceutical companies, hospitals and research institutes, diagnostic institutes are the places where microbiologists are in constant requirement. Now there is always a doubt whether it is the MD microbiologists that are in demand or MSc microbiology or PhD microbiology that are in demand, but that's a concept to discuss in a separate video. But for now we'll stick to the MSc and PhD, so basic levels of microbiology courses, not the MBBS MD way of microbiology. Now India's biopharma sector like Serum Institute, Biocon, Bharat Biotech, they are booming. These are few names that I just took, and they are increasing job opportunities in vaccine production, drug testing and medical microbiology. So particularly in these fields of vaccine development and medical testing, microbiologists are always in high demand. And the COVID-19 pandemic and emerging global health concern with the repeated sporadic diseases from sporadic to the epidemic and pandemics, they highlight the role of microbiologists and virologists, particularly in the virology, in the field of virology, epidemiology and immunology. Because what I believe from my personal experience in this field over a decade is that in future times there will be multiple outbreaks of different viruses, and most of these outbreaks will be related to airborne infections, and most of the times people will be targeted with stomach, with lungs. So your lung will be infected, and the infection has already been increased over the past 5 years. More and more lung infections due to the pathetic air quality that we're living in, and it will be infection, viral infection, secondary bacterial infection, and your lung capacity will be tested. So smoking is going to drive most of the deaths in that area, and also it is involved with the high number of infections, repeated maybe sporadic, maybe endemic, maybe epidemic. Till that level it might work, and may get a pandemic after 10 or 15 or something like that. But the thing is, the future infections are going to be allergic, or it's going to be a viral infection of the lungs, right? So rhinitis, allergic rhinitis are going to increase, allergy is going to increase, of any form of allergy is going to increase, particularly the dust pollen based allergies. So be prepared for that. A lot of microbiology will be required in that field. That's my prediction for now. In 2025 I'm making this video, I'm predicting it for the upcoming 5 or 10 years. Now the second reason to choose microbiology as a career option is expanding career opportunities in food, agriculture and environment. So the food safety is very important, and food safety regulation, and as we need to feed a huge number of people in India, the population size is increasing. All the people are saying 150 crores, but I believe it's more than 170, 180 crores without any proper counting. But the thing is that we need to feed these people, and the constant supply of packaged food, readily available, ready to eat food, ready to heat and eat food, all these things. So food safety regulation is important. Fermentation technology is something where a lot of microbiology will be required, and also the probiotic industries, which is a huge industry. In US it's multi-billion-dollar industry. In India also it's going to be huge. It's going to even increase in future. It has created new roles for microbiologists for dairy, beverage and nutraceuticals. If you search the name of immunity booster, which is a Joomla by the way, when you search it in Amazon, you're going to get thousands of different listings with this nutraceuticals. So they're all nutraceuticals companies, so they only need FSSI. That is the only certification that they need. They don't need any pharma licensing to produce it. They are calling it as a natural food product. Gummies will be there and many other things will be there. For every single domain there will be products like that. All the products are selling OTC. Pain medications, to allergy medications, to insomnia medications, to multivitamins, to gut health medication, to liver detox medication, another jumla by the way. All these things are being sold and under the nutraceuticals brands, but who cares, because you are going to get recruited by those companies. Agricultural microbiology is growing with increased research in biofertilizers and pest resistance crops. Soil microbiome is something that is required for the studies. There are environmental microbiologists required, particularly for government agencies as well as for NGOs and private firms, but the impact that is still there is low in the environmental sector of microbiology. But I personally believe that in upcoming 5 or 10 years is going to increase a lot, because the environment is screwed up, and it's screwed with the environment, screwed with the weather, and obviously it's going to hit us back and hit us much harder than we think. So we are going to require that, and a new job opening will be there. The third important reason to choose and consider microbiology career option in 2025 in India is strong scope of higher studies and international careers. And Indians, they just run after USA, just a dog run after a bone, right? That's the thing. You know, you get into USA, whatever you do, you did something in your society. So that thing comes in, your parents will say that my son or daughter is now in US or UK, in Paris, in Germany, in different places, and that opportunity will be provided to you. So the shoshebaji ki duniya mein, you will get a breeze when you have this career option in a microbiology career option in India. Particularly the microbiology, biotechnology people, they are not going to stay in India. Gen Z microbiology and biotechnology, they are not going to stay in India, not at all, because from day one they are ready to accept anything that US and Europe is providing them. They are watching their content, they are engulfing everything that they provide, they are with the same brands that they are using. So they are already migration ready. So these migration ready people will migrate to all these countries, because obviously the job offerings will be better, the salary that they will offer will be better. So obviously you can get in there to do your masters, you can get in there to do your PhDs, or you can get in there to do your postdoctoral studies in genomics, synthetic biology, in microbiome research, global research positions, and biotechnology collaboration across the globe is possible if you go there. And one more thing is the involvement of AI, the growing integration of AI with the learning, machine learning with the microbiology is something important, particularly for disease diagnostics and drug discovery. AI has a huge role to play, and AI will have a huge role to play in future times as well, to detect diseases early, for producing an assistant of your self-healthcare. From that part, diagnosing a disease in a better way, to minimize the differential diagnosis by doctors, because they have man-made errors as well. So AI will play an important role in drug discovery as well. And also AI will play an important role in agricultural growth and development, where it decides when to put the seeds in the soil, when to wait for the rain, the prediction and everything. So AI is going to play an important role. Machine learning is going to play an important role, and the way US and China is doing the machine learning work, India is nowhere close to that. So you'll get a better opportunity in that particular path or field. Who knows, because I believe in the upcoming 20 years, there will be many Fortune 500 companies, and India also there will be companies in Nifty 500 who will be from the AI industry. Yes, and that's going to be a big, that is a big claim, but I think, it's my personal opinion, I think it's going to happen in future, because nobody knows when the changes happen. Google becomes old after 20-25 years. Now new thing comes in, and in this case it will be involvement of bioinformatics and computational biology as well in the microbiology development. So what is the final verdict? If you want to choose microbiology as a career option, I will not tell you to stop here, because you have high demand job in healthcare, pharmaceuticals, agricultural and environmental sciences. Microbiology in India in 2025 looks promising compared to zoology, botany. If you ask me, go with microbiology, biotechnology compared to zoology, botany, physiology, that traditional subjects. This is better comparatively, but again there are some outcomes, some drawbacks are out there. And what are the drawbacks of taking microbiology as a career option in India? There will be top 3 drawbacks discussed in a video. So watch that video as well, where I discussed about the top 3 drawbacks not to choose microbiology as a career option in India. So watch that. But for now, this is over for this lecture on the top 3 reasons to choose microbiology as a career option in India. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to friends and colleagues. Subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.